That's the finish line jump right there. That's Zach right there. I told him I was going to catch him on a video jumping the fire. Here he comes. Oh, exactly there. Jumping the fire. Alright. End of a very, very good day. Right? Everybody jumping the fire. Racing action, well, riding action today. Polka run. Alright. All the little kids. It's the first time they ever did something like this. Here comes Zach again. Hey, Zach. Alright. All the little kids, they like that stuff, man. Alright, we'll partake in some sarsaparilla over here. Jumpers, check them out.